Good morning, or what time is it? It can't be already afternoon. I got kind of a later start this morning, but it's gonna be okay. I decided to film like a get ready with me today. I already did my foundation and like brows, so usually I put on my foundation last, but yeah, I didn't put on contour in case there's like fallout from the eye makeup, and I can clean it up better if there's like no contour or blush or all that stuff. So I'm gonna be doing that after. Let's get started. I'm gonna grab my vanilla primer first, and I'm gonna put that on my lid. Also, I'm not used to filming in landscape mode. I'm used to filming like portrait mode, and so I am used to looking at myself for filming, but I have to actually look at the camera eye for this mode. So if y'all have any tips for me, I will take them. I'm like not used to this at all, but yeah. Anyway, let's put on some eye primer. Okay, so my primer is on, and I blended out the edges with my other end of the dual camouflage stamper brush. So yeah, it's ready to put on eyeshadow. I'm going to be using two palettes today. I'm going to be using the Sunset palette and the Mermaid palette from XMH Beauty. So yeah, I'll like insert pictures of it or something so you can see what color I'm using. But yeah, let's get started. I'm going to put on the Sunset highlighter first. Okay, and I'm going to put it underneath my eyebrow and in the corner of my eye. Okay, now I'm going to go in with that super bright orange color from the Sunset palette. I'm going to put that in my crease. Okay, so I had an idea for a video. Back when I was, so we left the Amish when I was 7, and then I didn't actually start wearing makeup until I would have been like 15 or 16, I think. So I didn't know anything about makeup. Like, I literally knew nothing. No one really taught me until I would have been like 18 when someone actually sat down with me and like explained some things, and it was Leora Miller, and she's the bomb, by the way. But anyway, I knew nothing about makeup, so I would go to Walmart and just buy like what I thought would look good. Sorry, I'm looking for another brush. I'm looking for my fluffy crease brush. I think I left it over there. I'll be right back. Okay, I got it. My fluffy crease. I'm gonna blend out this orange. Yeah, I'm just gonna blend it out. So anyway, finishing my story, I would go to Walmart and I would buy these products I thought would look good, and my sister was cleaning out my room and she found one of my old foundation. I used to use this, I think it was called a mousse. It was so bad, you guys, oh my gosh. But I used to use this mousse, and it was kind of like grainy a little bit, and you had to really like pack it into your face for it to like stick to your face, and I can't even describe how awful it was. But I feel like I want to do a video of all the products that I used to use and try and get a decent makeup look out of it. I just think that'd be a cool video. It'd just be fun. They're all just like really cheap Walmart products, and to be honest, some of them were actually kind of decent. Like I used, what did I use? I used an e.l.f. eyeshadow palette, and that was actually like half decent. Like it worked okay. So yeah, I feel like I might be genuinely surprised a little bit. I don't know. I just think it'd be a cool video. What do you guys think? Should I do it? Should I do the video? Let me know. Cool. Okay, next I'm going in with the red color from the Sunset palette, and I'm gonna grab my precision crease brush, and I'm gonna put that like underneath the orange. Okay, now I'm gonna take that same fluffy crease that you used with the orange. I'm going to put a little bit of red on it and blend out the red. That looks super pretty. Okay, now I'm going to put a little bit more primer on just the lid space. Okay, I've done both eyes, and now I'm gonna go in with the Mermaid palette, and I'm gonna grab the like super dark blue shade and put it on my oval compressed brush. I think the most important tip is whenever you're putting on eyeshadow, always check your primer and make sure that there's absolutely no creases in it before you pop on any colors. If there's creases in it, it's gonna stay like that and you're gonna have a creased eyeshadow look the entire day. You don't want to walk around like that. Okay, I'm gonna put the blue on the outer corner of my eye. Okay, I made it come a little bit further in than I wanted it to, but whatever. We're gonna go with it and it's gonna be fine. It's gonna look great. Okay. Check the other eye. No creases. Boom, we good to go. Okay. I'm gonna take a precision crease brush and I'm gonna like go over the line a little bit to like soften it right in here. Alright. I'm gonna go in with that, one of my favorite colors in the entire world, that blue shimmer shade from the Mermaid palette. It's just so pretty. Guys, oh my god. Do you see that? Do you see it? You point a camera at me and I turn into a weird person. I just don't know what to do with myself. I get weird accents. I do weird things. I don't know, maybe this channel wasn't the best idea, but this is how I am, guys. This is how I am in real life. I'm just, yeah. Now, okay, grab your precision crease and just put a little bit of blue on it, the dark blue, and basically just like blend out the line, but don't blend it up into the orange. Just gonna like make it less harsh. I hope that makes sense. But yeah, you're just gonna kind of like that. Just touch it a little and then blend it out just a little. And now I'm gonna take my fluffy crease brush with the orange and the red still on it, and I'm going to blend out the blue even more. Just kind of like overlapping it a little. Just like that. It looks so pretty. Drop my brush. I'm putting a little bit more red and orange on the brush as I'm going, just a little. Okay, next step is you're going to grab your Color Rush Genius brush. I always space on the name, but you're gonna grab it and you're gonna just lightly go over it and just blend it a little bit more. Just make sure that it flows beautifully. Okay, and then I'm gonna add a little bit more of that highlighter from the Sunset palette right underneath that brow. And then you're going to grab the Color Wash Genius brush again and just blend the highlighter and the color together. Just like that. And now we're going to go on to the next step. Okay, next I'm going to grab my black eyeliner. Words come to me. I'm going to grab the black eyeliner and I'm going to halo out my eye. So yeah. Alright, so I put on the eyeliner and now I'm going to take a precision crease and I'll put that dark blue color that I put on the outer corner of my eye, and I'm going to top the eyeliner with that color. Perfecto. So now I'm going to go in with concealer and I'm just going to put it underneath my eye. Okay. Yeah. I'm going to blend it out. Okay, from here, grab that dual, where is it? It's slipping my mind what it's called. This brush. I had all the brushes' names memorized. I did. And they just left me. Dual foundation blender. I remembered it. Okay. I'm gonna make sure there's no creases, and then I'm gonna take this and load it with vanilla from the contour palette, and I'm gonna just put it right underneath, right on top. Just pack it in there. Okay, and I'm gonna take that big fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend out and pat off the extra powder. Alright, boom, there you go. I'm gonna pop on some mascara. I'm gonna go with primer first. Actually, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes first. I'm sorry that I keep looking over here. I'm just used to it, you guys. My lash lengthening mascara. Alright, I'm gonna do my other eye off camera. Alright, it is done. I now remember why I don't like putting foundation on first and powder. Is because I wrinkle my forehead to like get in there. Now look at the lines that I made. Oh. It's okay, I'll fix it. Anyway, I'm gonna grab that highlighter again from the Sunset palette. I'm gonna put it in the inner corner of my eye, and then that, my friends, is a finished eye look. How great is this highlighter, by the way? Like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I think I'm gonna put a little on my nose. It's so pretty. I can't even. Okay, that is it. So pretty. If this is not the best eyeshadow look in the entire world, I don't know what it is. Okay, I'm gonna finish out the rest of my face. I'm gonna put on some contour and I'll flip to the finished look. Alright, we are done. Finished the look. I changed into something a little bit cuter and better for tonight, but yeah, this is the finished eye look. I just think it complements my eyes so well, my blue eyes. I just think, oh, it goes so well. Anyway, I still have to do something with this hair. It looks atrocious. But yeah, I hope you all have a fantastic weekend and that you rest up a little bit from your week of work. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.